Alright, now let's talk about the next commands, which is less and head and tail. So we will cover these three commands in this video. So now let's talk about the list command. So list command is used to view the content of file. So if I view the short page of list, if exists opposite of more. So we have more command and we have less command. So view less and view more. So let's say currently I'm inside var log. So if I ls here we have some log files, system log. So let's view the syslog. So I will use less to view the content of syslog. So as you can see, it displays the content of syslog file. So it has a lot of content. If I hit enter, as you can see, it is scrolling down, so it shows the logs of this file. If I press q, it is now ended. So the less command is used to view the content of files. So if I see the main page, you can see they are showing some information regarding this, and we can do the same thing with other two commands. As I said, the head and tail. So the head command is used to view the head of that file. So if let's say I want to view the just the head of the syslog file, so this is now the head of this file, and now the command is now ended, as you can see. So now the same thing goes for the tail, the end. So if I type tail and then syslog and hit enter, as you can see, now this is the tail of that file. So you can view the head and tail of a specific file using the head and tail command. So I think the main use of tail command is with the tag f parameter, and what this does is that it watches for changes for a specific file, and once any change is made, it will show the changes uh, on the fly to on the screen. So if I type tail tag f syslog, and now you can see the cursor is still there, and it's low. It is waiting for changes in the syslog, and it will automatically view the changes right here. So it is not just for syslog. You can do this for any log file specifically to view the changes live. So I think we will have Apache 2. Let's see the to Apache 2, and here we have error.log and access.log. So let's view the content of access.log and using the tag f. So we have nothing, so it is empty. So the point here is that the uh, tail command is used to view the content at the end. So even we can pass the number of lines that we want. So let's say you want to view the last 100 lines of syslog file, system log file. You can see now it displays 100 lines, last 100 lines of syslog file. If I zoom it out, that's how it looks like, 100 log files, 100 lines. So let's see uh, let's do the same with the head, and all you need is to head and tag n for the number of lines. Let's view the top 10 lines of syslog file. So now it is displaying the top 10 lines of system.log file. So that the sys the less head and tail commands are used to display the head, tail, and content of the file. As you can see, if I see the short introduction of head, as you can see, output the first part of the file, simple command line user agent. So, and if I type tail, it will be all opposite of that, the last part of the file. So the head command is used to view the first part of the file, and the tail command is used to view the last part of the files. And the tail command is specifically, I think, mostly used for viewing the logs file. So you will be watching for logs file continuously. Whenever any change is made, you will watch that live. So for that, as I said, you can use tail tag f and then the file name. So let's say you are monitoring a system, and in this case I'm mentioning my own system log. I'm viewing the content of syslog file. So that's how you can use uh, these three commands: less and head and tail. And for more information regarding this, you can view the main page. All you need is just type main and then less